Unit rate questions show up everywhere on the SAT math section, from word problems to charts. They look friendly, but a flipped fraction or mismatched units can steal points in seconds if you rush. In this video, we will build a clean routine. Read the units, set up the right ratio, and compare deals like a pro. We will cover price per item, miles per hour, words per minute, and multi-step speed problems that mix distance and time. A unit rate is a ratio where the denominator is 1. You are answering how much of something happens per 1 unit of something else. That 1 unit might be 1 apple, 1 hour, 1 minute, or 1 mile, depending on what the problem measures. Speed is the most common unit rate on the test. Distance divided by time tells you how far you go per 1 unit of time. You can rearrange the same relationship. Distance equals speed times time, and time equals distance divided by speed. Keep the units visible. If miles are on top and hours are on the bottom, your speed is in miles per hour. On multiple choice, 2 answer choices often differ only by a flipped ratio. Slow down and read which unit belongs on top. Easy example, $4.50 for 3 apples. You want dollars per 1 apple. Total cost divided by the number of apples gives the unit rate. Divide 4.5 by 3. That equals $1.50 per apple. The denominator is now 1 apple, so this is a true unit rate. Medium example. Compare 2 deals. Store A sells 8 notebooks for $12. Store B sells 5 notebooks for $8. Compute dollars per notebook for each store. For A, 12 divided by 8 equals $1.50 per notebook. For B, 8 divided by 5 equals $1.60 per notebook. Lower price per notebook's the better deal, so Store A wins. Always compare the same unit rate on both sides. Before a harder speed problem, remember, you cannot compare miles per minute to miles per hour until you align the time units. Harder style, a car travels 90 miles in 1.5 hours, then rests, then travels 40 miles in 40 minutes. For the first leg, speed is 90 divided by 1.5, which is 60 miles per hour. For the second leg, match units. 40 minutes is 2/3 of an hour, so speed is 40 divided by 2/3. Both legs have the same speed, 60 miles per hour. The lesson is convert minutes to hours before you divide distance by time. Common mistake, dividing the wrong way. Students sometimes put the count on top and the total on the bottom. For price per item, you want dollars per 1 item, so dollars belong in the numerator. For speed, you want distance per 1 hour, so miles belong on top and hours on the bottom. SAT pro tip, the word pure almost always signals division. Miles per hour means miles divided by hours. If you need the reciprocal, the problem will ask for hours per mile or minutes per mile instead. Recap. First, a unit rate has denominator 1, so you scale totals down to a per 1 amount. Second, compare deals by computing the same unit rate for each option, like dollars per notebook. Third, for speed problems, align time units before you compute distance divided by time. And always ask whether the question wants miles per hour or something else, like minutes per mile. Practice more on NovaMaths.